Hello students, the question is from operating system, no, it is from probability. Are you okay? So the question is, the question paper consists of two sections having 3 and 5 questions respectively. Okay, and instructions given on the paper is it is not necessary to attempt all the questions, and one question from each section is compulsory. So this is the important constant, that one question from each section is compulsory, means at least one question should be chosen from each of the section, means out of the two sections. Okay, means both of the section, not out of both of the sections. So number of ways in which the candidate can select questions from this paper is, okay, so since the paper has two sections, right? So the first section consists of how many questions? It consists 3 questions, right? And second section consists of 5 questions. So, and it is mentioned that one question from each section is compulsory. From each section is compulsory, right? So since it is compulsory, so means at least it means that at least one question from each section, right? This is nothing but one question from each section. At least means maximum he can select 3 questions also, and in the second also he can select 5 questions. Okay, so what will be the number of ways then? The number of ways candidate can select questions from the paper will be what? What he can do? He has to first select this and this, right? Means one from this part and one from this part. Now, or what he can do, he can select 2 from this part, or he can select 2 from this part also. Now he can select all 3 from this part, or he can select all 3. Then he can select 4 from this part, he can select 5 from this part. Okay, so these are the possible conditions, right? Now we have to find out the answer. So 3C1 is 3, 3C2 is 3, 3C3 is 1 into, because and is written, 5C1 is 5, 5C2 is 10, 5C3 is 10, 5C4 is 5 plus 1. So this will be 7 into 31. So 731, it is equal to 217 ways. Okay, so this is the result. So the 217 ways are there to answer this paper. Okay, so answer is B. Thank you.